Hi guys, I'm Anne from Creative Wedding and I'm so happy to present you today our editing pack. This is something really new because till now we sell just presets and now we wanted to share all our editing steps. So there's inside the presets, of course, the Vol 5. This time there are 4 and a black and white preset because these are really the presets we use and we use since 2 years on every wedding. So we decided to make the pack a little bit smaller, but put inside our tools what we use, how we edit our pictures, and a small tutorial to let you know exactly how we edit with our presets and our tools the pictures. And yes, let's start to edit.